So when I probe across pin 1 and 2 like that, you can see the news is not good. That chip is just conducting. Same over there. That's actually... Hello everybody and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. Good day to all my internet friends. What we have here is a Senheizer wireless headset type device. So when you take these two bows and you spread them and put it on your head, it turns on this receiver. There's your volume adjustment. And there's the lithium-ion battery, which charges when you insert it like so. And you can also insert it into the side there like that. So that's that. Now this lives off this wall wart, which gives you 9 volts at 300 milliamps, right? And you can see it. Now the complaint is that it doesn't power up. We're getting 9 volts here, and when we measure the voltage coming out when it's plugged into here, it goes up to about 2 volts, and then you see it folding back because of the protection in here. So something has gone short circuit. Set that aside. So on the back here, got audio, which you can inject a stereo or mono, and therefore you have a stereo mono switch. There's the gain adjustment, channel adjustment, and a place for your power. So I've already been into it, so I know what's going on and what the outcome was, or not, unfortunately. I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to show you what goes on inside here anyway, because you want to see. So, pop out 4 screws and we'll be in, like so. Right, turn it around. Okay, what we have over here, there's your connection to the docking port and charging. That works, that button over there. There's your RF. Over here is your buck regulator. It steps the 9 volts down to 3.3 volt. Over here is your analog multiplexer, which is what takes care of stereo mono operation. Over here is the mixed signal microprocessor, which handles the audio conversion into the data stream to go out via the 866 megahertz signal over here from the RF section. So what has happened here is it's an L6902 that is, in this case, gone kapooey. We now have a short circuit between pin 1 and 8, which means that your 9 volts now coming out as 9 volts, which is a very bad thing for all the ICs downstream that are designed to operate off 3.3 volts. So absolutely everything in this has unfortunately succumbed. So we're basically doing a post-mortem here. So let's just have a talk about this for interest's sake. You got a transistor in here which turns on, energy goes into the inductor, turns off, the polarity of the voltage across the inductor reverses, that diode conducts, and then energy is once again sent to the capacitor. Here's a potential divider, that's your voltage feedback over there, and there's your current limit or current sensing over there, current feedback, because this chip can operate in the voltage mode or the current mode. You can actually use it in battery chargers and stuff like that, which in this case it does as well. It takes care of charging of the lithium ion batteries and so on. So that is the buck regulator. So if I bring in a meter, let's put the screws where they won't go flying. A meter over here. Now where's the other probe? Where you want volts? Let's see. Here you can see the screen. So when I probe across pin 1 and 2 like that, you can see the news is not good. That chip is just conducting. Same over there. That's actually pin 1 and 2. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's that way around, yeah. I've had that chip out and I tried injecting voltage into this to see if anything has survived. I'm afraid the answer is no. The news is not good, which is a pity, because if it was only that, I could have used another buck regulator to power the 3.3 volt stuff and maybe resurrected this, but not to be. But the Senheizer stuff is nicely made. Underneath here is actually a metal chassis. See it over there. Right, that's a steel plate down there. It's solidly constructed. It also serves as a bit of a ballast for when you plug that in to do the charging. So sadly, this device has come to its end. I think this is more than 10 years old. It has lasted a long time. They've certainly had their money's worth out of it, which you do with Senheizer equipment. It's very good equipment. I've used their microphones. I have a pair of their headphones. Lovely stuff. Very well made stuff. It's pretty disappointing that I can't do anything for my colleague here who brought this into work and said, can you have a look at this? I'm afraid no. It is over for this. They're going to have to get a replacement of some kind. This is used in church for churchgoers who are hard of hearing, so that they can hear the sermon. They hand this out to them and they put it on and they can hear what is being said, which is awesome, this modern technology that we can use in society these days. So unfortunately, this is a no fix. It was a post-mortem, but I thought I'd share it in anyway because it's interesting and we learn something out of it, and we get to see some stuff, open something up and see how it's made, what we all like. And we're going to conclude it at this point. So, ladies and gentlemen, have an awesome day further. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you here back next time for more. Cheers.